Hi everyone. Okay, let us do some example based on the for loop. Okay, what we'll do today, we will input any number from the user and try to print table in the following format. Now let us say suppose the number input by the user is 9. So we would like to print in this format 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18 and so on up to 9 10 ja 90 or whatever number the user will input. 8 then 8. 7 then 7 and so on. Fine. So I'm jumping to my ID, that is Eclipse ID. Okay, I declare two variables here. One is X, another is Y. So what we'll do, okay, we'll accept the data from the user. We'll display some message to the user. Okay, the number. Okay, sorry. Says out, enter number. So enter number means the number whose table the user is planning to find out. I say y equal to ob dot next integer. It means suppose you input 8, so y it become 8. Suppose you input 7, then y will become 7. Okay, now we'll say for x equal to 1, x less than 11 and then x plus plus. So see this. We are starting x from 1 and it is going till 10. It means whatever is there inside this loop, okay, that will print 10 times. But our object is to print. Okay, I say sys out. Okay, so first we want to print the number. Okay, like this 9 1 9. So the number is there into y plus we want to print x. So now I say this and I print x plus. Okay, you can see here 1 ja. So x is varying from 1 to 10. So I'll say here x plus we want to print equal to sign. Okay, so inside double quotes you write down the way you want to print something. So we are trying to print out equal to sign. So I say equal to sign. Now plus. Okay, we want to print. Okay, we want to print the multiplication of x into y. All right, that's all. Fine. Let me check the bracket. Y, x, then x and plus x. I hope it should work. Okay, let's see what will happen. Enter the number. 5. Okay, you can see here. All right, you can see it. 5 1 the 5 5. Let's try to have some spaces, proper spacing. Okay, so we can give some spacing here. All right, and some spacing here to look it better actually. Now I'll say right click and then run. Okay, enter number. Now let's say 6. Okay, you can now see this spaces. All right, 6 1 the 6. I hope it is clear to you. Okay. So if you really like this, okay, please share with your friend, okay, so that they also will be able to learn Java and can make their career in Java. Thanks for watching.